Hi scientists, it's testing day and I'm so excited for you to be able to show me what you know. The purpose of the test is to check in. We have been working hard all quarter and now I want to see what it is that you've learned. I wanted to remind you of the tools that you have available while you are taking the test. So this menu up here is available and I encourage you to use your testing tools. So this is the one that allows for the test to be read aloud to you. After you click, once this button has been clicked, anywhere you click, the computer will read for you. And then you can use pause or stop. If you don't want it to read where you click, then you'll need to click off of there. You also have a line guide, so maybe you don't want it read aloud to you, but you'd like to use this to help you stay focused as you read through the test question. You also have over here that you can flag for review. Let me show you on eliminating answer choices. So this is a multiple choice or selected response question. This tool right here, it says eliminate choices. So if you know for sure that you don't want this one and this one, you can use that to eliminate your choices. You are going to continue through working all of the questions. Once you've answered all of the questions, when you click next, you have to click next, then it's a review, and then it's a submit, and then it is yes. Once you have submitted, you're not going to be able to see your final score. There are questions that I have to grade, so you won't be able to see your final score today, but you should have your final score later in the week. Please remember to take your time and include those details to make sure that I know that you are understanding what we've been learning in science. If you have any questions while you're taking the test, raise your hand and I will check in with you.